ride 2024. See how this microphone kind of holds up. Probably have a visor down the whole way, because why not? Wow, so this is it. Lovely day for it as well. Most charity events that I go on tend to rain or do something absurd. I mean, just out of curiosity, has anyone else ever done any charity rides? And if you have, what have you done? And what type of year is it when you do these rides? Is it winter? I know the other ride that I do, other two that I do, is you've got the toy run at Foster Wheeler that I do every year and have done for the last 12 years or 10 years. I can't remember how long I've been riding for. Oh, we've got someone coming through, I think. Maybe a couple of hundred of us, maybe. I think their first event that they did last year, there was only like 60 maybe at a push, and now obviously there's a lot more. I thought that guy's holding on a fucking microphone or some shit. Where we're going. Apparently it's Kingsley Calf in North Oxfordshire. Jesus Christ, I can't even talk either, especially this microphone as well. I might have to get a new microphone and like, integrate it into my head's helmet. Hi buddy. Oh, latex! Get it out! Run away! Oh. There's a fucking car coming down. Latex! Run away! I don't want to be bummed. Little bumder. What are we doing? Oh, mate. Okay, it's getting steamy in my old visor. The old visor. Wow. To be fair, I'm going faster now than I did on the way here. I've raced faster snails before. Like. Also, while I'm on this ride, it's probably my last proper kind of charity event until June maybe. I need to get a new rear tyre, but as I don't need to replace the front, you know, you normally do 2 rear to 1 front. Probably going to do Pilot Road 6s again on the rear. Seems to last me the longest amount of time. Probably just shy of 6,500 miles. Which is quite impressive for a rear tyre. Especially like the S22s, S21s that I ran before. I've only ever lasted for like 2.5, maybe 3,000 miles. All depends how you ride, isn't it? I ride quite aggressively sometimes, well, 99% of the time. And I think this is a respectable speed to go down here as well. It's nice to see people out actually helping the community. Shame they're not helping out the uneven road structures and fucking just shit roads. But can't have it all, can we? The thing as well on the throttle. I think I need better grips. I think I went for like Renthal domino grips before. I might actually get them again. I find them they're super grippy. I mean, that's another thing. When you're installing grips, do you use super glue or hairspray? Now, I tried both, and super glue is the one that worked for me. Weird. I know when super glue dries, it goes brittle and it breaks. However, it holds them on. So it's like trying to pack a tight suitcase with an extra pair of shoes. It ain't gonna work, is it? And when it does work, you know they ain't coming out. Where hairspray eventually it evaporates and dries. And then what? More cyclists, fucking dickheads. Run them over, quick! No one's looking! Sounds like a fucking Honda. Fuck you know. Poor decision, mate, wearing black. I'll tell you that right now. Especially his bollocks off, I bet.
I think we're all regrouping.
Yeah. I need the toilet now. Those bumps make me want to go to the toilet.
What do you think of the road? You've ridden out here before?
Yeah.
Yeah?
Huh?
You've ridden out here before this way?
No.
You're alright, isn't it?
Yeah.